Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another hair install and this video is partly sponsored by Unice Hair. So I'm just gonna do the unboxing of everything that I've got. As you guys can see, I got this nice satin bag to store the wig, and oh my gosh guys, these gifts, absolutely love them. So in this gift box I got a wig cap, as well as this is a bonnet guys, and then these lashes guys, mink lashes. And one thing about this packaging, love it for real. And then they gave me 2 sets guys of lashes, and these lashes as well as a makeup brush. The last thing I loved is these elastic bands and this gown guys. They gave me this nice cute satin gown and I love it for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna install this hair. You guys already know the drill. So this is a teapot wig. It's very quite different to the wigs that I usually install, but this is a teapot wig. It is machine made, and as you guys can see, has 1 comb at the back and 2 combs in front, y'all. So also it does have adjustable straps, so I'm just gonna install this hair as I go. Everything is self-explanatory guys. You guys know I install wigs all the time, so I'm not gonna explain much in this video. As you guys do know the drill, what I do, I put on a wig cap, and actually, you know what, let me not explain. You guys will get to see everything in this video. Okay, everything is self-explanatory, so enjoy.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus.
I know I said I'm not gonna do another voiceover, but I had to for this one guys. Cutting off your lace with the razor is the best thing I've ever had to do for my wigs guys. Like, because one thing about a scissor, it cuts a straight line. With the razor, it's not even that straight, and that's how the lace should be. So I'm just here to tell you that if you're using scissors, I need you to change that and start using razors. Okay, just change and you'll thank me later.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
One thing I'd like to say is thank you so much to You Nice Hair for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. This unit is so nice and it's actually a very nice color. Okay, so basically I'm just doing all the finishing touches when it comes to the install. I've done my face, as you guys can see. And if you guys would like to purchase this hair, or if you'd like to know more information about this unit, please do check down below in my description. All the hair information will be there. If you would like to purchase this hair, everything is down below. The link, everything that you need to know is literally down in the description box. But once again, thank you very much to You Nice Hair for sponsoring this video.
Lately I've been really fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Would you look at that? Like, how cute do I look? I feel like this color, it just looks so good on my skin, yo. It complements my skin so well and I love it for me. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching this hair tutorial. I hope you guys do like, comment and subscribe. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to click the link in the description down below. And thank you once again to You Nice Hair, and thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But for now guys, bye.